G'day everyone, Uncle Jojo. Great to see you all again. Today we're going to talk about sharp chisels and the importance of having good sharp chisels. We need to make sure that our chisel's nice and sharp so we can pare off the timber. What I mean by pare off is if your chisel's nice and sharp, you should be able to put it nice and flat on your checkout and then just run the chisel over the checkout, and you'll see so you can see that paring off nice and smoothly. Now, one of the big contributing factors to the way that we're doing this is that we've got a sapwood vein running through this timber here, so we need to make sure that that chisel's nice and sharp so that when it does pare off, it doesn't split any of the timber, and we can get a beautiful, clean finish. If at any stage that chisel's getting a little bit blunt, all we need to do is be able to chuck it onto a stone, run it over a couple of times and get that edge back. It's important that we have a really nice, you'll see that there's two different colors. You've got the front cutting edge and then you've also got the ground edge. So it's important that we have those. All we need to then do is just run the stone over this front cutting edge again and we'll get that nice back and it'll be absolutely Mickey Mouse. Any questions or queries about sharpening your chisels, flick them over. Happy to have a look at them for you. Any questions about tools, chuck them over and I'll have a look at those for you also. Thanks for watching, and like always, stay unreal banana peel, and I'll see you in the soup.